Hulaan mo. Kami-oshi ko. Sino? Sino kami-oshi mo? Hello, Sheen! Hi, Sheen! Wala akong pang heart me. Oh, no! It's okay. Hi, hello, Suhan! Hello, Nesnev, the janitor. Wow. Nesnev, the janitor. Smile hard. Hindi na ako kilala. I know you. Ngayon lang kita nakita ulit sa live. Ano Kuya Vincent? Hello, Mina-san. Sinong kami-oshi nyo? Katabi mo pa rin ba ang aso na nanagat sa'yo? Hindi na. Ayun, thank you sa patili. Hello, Aki. Hello, Emmanuel. Hello, Pat. Kaya busy lang sa buhay. Same. Oh, wait. What's this? If you can hear the Americans, kamusta ka, Riri? I'm fine. Hello, Kuya Henner. I'm eating aguyo. Pasta. Imposta. They're looking at me. Hello, Dueco. Thank you, Trophy. Tapos may salad pa ako. Bangs Marie, nagtatampo na. Huwag yun nang i-question yung bangs ko. Kasi questionable na yan. Cram, sino ano mo, Cram? Hello, Kuya Zelke! Hello, Ate Shannon. Kamusta? I'm good, Kuya Zel. I'm outside. Nag-dinner. Masakit ang tiyan ko. Hindi na naman nalabas ko. May Kuya Gian. ako kasi maingay. Ayaw ng friend ko. She was like, ayaw kong mag-ano sa live mo. Ayaw kong marinig, ayaw kong makita sa live mo. She was like, okay. Hindi kita pipilitin. I won't force you. Hello, Corinne. Wow. Ayaw makita ng friend ko. Hello, Brenton. Hi, Playboy. She was like, di ba, I was live. She came and went live. Hashtag scene. Sorry naman. Edi hi, diba? Ito yung not cute. Wow, scene zone. Alam niyo yung ngayon, alam niyo yung trend na yung umiiyak na babae yung Can someone edit? Hello, Kuya Leo. Hi, Kuya Leo. Can someone edit me that? Alam niyo yun? Not kayo Yochog. Hello, Shobe. Alam niyo yun? Yung babaeng umiiyak yung gumagano. Yung meme, kagaya kay Ate Ira, Yochog. Not kayo Yochog. Yung meme na babae, not cute. Yung umiyak. Gusto kong i-edit niyo ako dun. Maglagay ka na from. Akala ko ba maglalagay ka? Ba't wala ka? Hello, Carl! Hello, Kuya Kel. Bakit wala pa kayong padlock sa ilo? Madami na kami naka-padlock ring. Di ba, Kuya Kebs? Kuya Kebs. Okay, guys. Hello, Dose. Hello, Dodong. Di ba, Kuya Gian? Kuya Gian, dapat may padlock. At kasi kayo di ba? First, ayan, Ram. Tama. Thank you. Wow, thank you, Zenplays. Ako may padlock na. Oh, madami ka na. May tulips ka, may kalbo, may ewan. Walang super nagdagan. Sinong burger na yan? First assignment natin kay Reading Pad. Yes, for the year 2026. Ito yung first. Wow, ngayon mo lang pinadlock, Kuya Gian. Wow. You're unbelievable. Wala nga padlock, dami namang kasama. May burger kami. Ano yan? Hello, Kuya Andre. Kaya pala, nawala lang ako ng ilang araw. Ayaw nyo na maglagay ng padlock. Pinalimutan nyo na ako. Okay. Hello, Kuya Kim. Sa mga walang padlock, bakit di kayo nagpapadlock? Di ba, Kuya Leo? Right. 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 Ayan kayo eh. Nawala. Hello, Oniriri. Guys, follow my official, yung official, ano natin, fan page. May tanggalan ng padlock. Ewan ko. Wala. Ilang araw lang ako nawala. Wala na kayong padlock. Ayaw nyo na. Everyone. Ilang araw lang ako nawala. Hello, chocolate. Hello, cakes. Nood kayo, Yochog. Anong kami Oshi na ako na andi natin? Suy, Oshihin yan. Ano kayo? Maka-cancel tayo dyan. Cancel culture. Nood kayo, Yochog. Grabe ka magpa-miss and nood kayo, Yocho. Ito, Ate Ray, may padlock na. Ayan! Ay, ayoko sa'yo. Bahala ka dyan, Cram. Hindi nakalock yung padlock mo. Ayoko sa'yo. Bahala ka. Nakakaintindi ba si Nakakaintindi ba si Rina ng Chabacano na? I don't know. Ayaw i-lock, diba? Ayoko sa'yo. Bahala ka dyan. Ayoko sa'yo, hindi ka nanood ng YouTube. sa inyo, hindi nakalock. Excuse me. Wait. Okay, yan. Tama yan, Kuya Kevin. Wait lang. Let me just call Kuya. Ayaw dia. I want to take this to go, Kuya.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Naglalaro na si Sir.
Oh, my friends are coming over. Ayaw ko sa inyo. Wala, hindi kayo nanood ng YouTube paano ilock yung panda. Wow, English is English in. Ano ba? Thank you, Kuya. Padlock since day 1 yan. Ipapaayos ko na promise 7 days. Scam ka. Ito si Only Riri. Ayoko mag-bounce. Ayoko. Joe. Okay. Tagal naman ng babaeng to. Kanina pa ako dito. Iiwan ko talaga siya. Loyal to boy. Yes, tama yan, Kuya Zelke. Yan yung tamang behavior, guys. Ganyan mo kami ni Papa J. Whatever, nakita ko kasi sa live ni Ate Sarina at sa ibang members, sabi niyo, loyal ako kay ano, loyal ako kay... Anong Riri Kalbo? Why Riri Kalbo? Hi! Oh, hi! Did you eat?
How are you?
Oh, I'm fine. Had so much fun earlier.
Yeah.
Hey! So,
So it can try. And it was Hong. So we just came. However, why are you drinking coffee?
coffee at night. Yes.
Anyway.
Moravia, our last homeland. The way of the bow. Flexible, reserved, and understated. Request backup. A gift from the great forest. Fade into the moonlight. Slain. eclipse. Your team must back up. Request backup. Our turret is under attack. Until the new moon braces us again, my fight carries on. Our turret has been destroyed. Initiate retreat. Killing spree. Launch attack. Launch mega kill. Brilliant damage. Launch attack. Understood. The moonlight spares no mercy to the foes.
An ally initiate retreat. Killing spree.
Elves won't give in, no matter how much. May the moon forever shine upon us.
Attack.
Been slain. Request backup.
Mega kill. Double kill. Replay.
Until the new moon graces us again, my fight carries on.
Launch attack.
The way of the arrow.
Team destroyed.
And precise.
Initiate retreat.
Bactria, our last homeland.
Launch attack.
Trespassers will not be tolerated.